O, mister ka, hallelujah.
Hindi, wala akong ibalang kung pakasal.
Wag na.
Gamitin mo lang may mic mo, Dre.
Natitira mo naman ang libre.
I think sa lalaki yan magagaling.
Alam mo naman sa'yo.
Eh, mukhang ayaw niya.
Wala!
Nga nga.
Ang kapal lang ng mukha mo kasi mo galing yun. Gusto ko lang bigay when you marry me.
Asumera ka.
Bakit naman? Pwede naman sa panahon natin ngayon, kahit sino may karapatan na. Di ba? Kung talagang gusto mo ng
Will you?
isang kalukin. Halimbawa, ikaw ba, ikaw ba yung klase ng babae na pwedeng ikaw yung magsasabi sa kanya?
Talagay mo, kaya mong sabihin?
Kaya mo?
Oh, hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Eh, kasi
Kasi-
ang grace niya eh.
Yun yung culture ng Pilipino talaga eh, di ba?
Mm.
Sa ibang bansa naman, pwede kahit babae na magsabi.
Tama.
Di ba? Pero wag mo na pakawalan to.
Mukhang masarap sa kama, magaling.
Tsaka maganda, bagay naman kayo eh. Tsaka mukha naman maliit lang yun sa'yo. Okay na, buti ka pinagtsaga ka ng 5 taon. Sino ka mag-anak sa inyo dyan? Si girl o siya? Siya. O, napalibutan ka na nila. Wala ka na magagawa.
Sana ikaw makasalo ng bulaklak ha.
Oo. Next time. Kasi ano mo ba siya? Cousin?
Sister.
Sister, ako hindi ka pala yung suko bang kasal.
Oo,
Pwede
di ba
magpakasal.
Mas matanda siya or mas... Siya, o di okay lang.
Mas matanda ka?
Hindi suno, di ba? Okay lang yun. Mas mukha ka lang matanda, ano ka ba? O di tapos ang usapan.
Hindi, mas stronger lang yung personality niya, siguro.
Oo.
Di ba may ganun eh. Tapos, basta anyway, isang tulog na lang, kasal niyo na. Congratulations and best wishes sa inyo ha. Nag-iintay pa din kami.
Oo,
Okay,
hanggang ngayon.
sige, game! Eto na po, kantahan tayo ha. Please, yung iba, kantahan lang po. Okay,
Going back kasi ka lang, palabakan natin si Divine.
Tama. Ako, Fernando, saka Marisa.
Oo niya. Baka ako may shota. I don't know what it is that you do to me.
To walk in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you do it's a feeling that I wouldn't want to share. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do with the only clue is you. I get so wicked to this that I hardly see. I lose control. There's something over me in a day you were so amazing. I want you to stay with me. On my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. It knocks me right off from my feet. Can't you stay for your love makes you weak? And by the time I've tried to fight it, but your will is wrong, it keeps on holding on. This is not the time when you're around me, baby. In my condition, I don't want to be alone. But my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the only clue is you. Oh, I get so wicked with this, I can hardly speak. I don't know the joy, it's all taking over me. In a day you look so